We are currently standing on Aurobindo Marg. This is the way that leads from AIIMS towards Qutub Minar and then further to Gurgaon. It has been raining constantly since morning in the national capital, and as you can see, water logging has started on the streets of Delhi. As you can see, all the vehicles are going through one side towards the right hand side, while the left is full of water. The PWD workers, very importantly, see the work and the kind of help they are providing at this point of time. There's a manhole right behind him that is open, and for the last 2 hours this man has been standing on the street and alerting every vehicle that is going from here to not take this path. He's been standing here. We had earlier spoken to him and wanted him to come on camera as well and talk to us for the viewers as well, but he said that he constantly needs to be there right next to that manhole and needs to alert every single vehicle. He cannot be lenient at any point of time. So you see, without an umbrella, this man for the last 2 hours alerting every vehicle passing from here. You can see the kind of traffic issues that this water logging is leading to. And this is the national capital we are standing in. This isn't a village area where we would be standing and reporting on water logging. But you can see these are the main roads of Delhi, and this is how bad the situation is. Very difficult for the vehicles at this point of time. There are traffic jams in other areas as well. Gurgaon also has been reporting a very bad situation. But here, as you can see, the main streets of Delhi, this is how bad it is. There are manholes that are open. We've seen several incidents before where it leads to accidents. And here it is the PWD workers that are really saving everybody's lives. In New Delhi with camera person Xavier Thomas, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV. We are currently standing on the Mehrauli-Badarpur road, what you see behind me, also known as the Badarpur underpass. Now it's been raining constantly since morning, and as a result of that you see that this entire underpass has been completely flooded. In fact, there are two big vehicles that you see over here. These vehicles have been submerged. There is a DTC bus that you see over there that has been completely submerged in water. Then there is a mini truck right next to it. We've been told by locals that this DTC bus got stuck in the morning when the passengers were still inside, but the water levels were much lower. The bus could not go ahead any further, and that is why all the passengers left. And the bus also had to be left over here, and after which the water levels kept rising higher. So nobody's life was at risk at that point of time because passengers could be saved in time. But just you can imagine what a scary situation it must have been for the passengers and the driver at that point of time. Similarly for that mini truck over there as well. So all of this area completely flooded, and even if you look at the other side of the road, you can see it's completely flooded. There's a lot of garbage that is floating above the water, and these two roads now they have been completely barred for any kind of traffic. There are policemen that have placed barriers a few meters away to prevent vehicles from heading towards this direction. But this is the kind of situation in the national capital. Locals here say that anytime there's even an hour of rain, this is the situation of the Mehrauli-Badarpur underpass. So you can see what is the extreme situation here. Completely flooded. There are these big vehicles, a DTC bus. Almost half of it is completely submerged in water. In New Delhi with camera person Xavier Thomas, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.